Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best portable electric burners that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Duxtop LCD Electric Stove Burner. This portable electric stove is equipped with numerous offices for a protected and open kitchen. It has a secure locking system for children, a rapid bubble system, and an automatic sensor. Any adjustment can be made with your touch sensor plate. It is light and simple to handle and store. In this kitchen utensil, less heat is lost since the area where the utensil is placed is simply heated. The power level reaches from 155 to 1800 W and the temperature can be balanced from 100 F to 460 F. You can distinguish the rarities and caution as needed. The messages are displayed on a screen. This is a stove affirmed by ETL. At number 4. Cuisinart CB60 Cast Iron Double Burner. The Cuisinart CB60 is a double burner electric stove. Both the burners have indicator lights, powered up and ready lights. There is also a 6-setting temperature adjustment for a variety of uses. With the brushed stainless steel exterior and heavy-duty cast iron plates, this item is easy to clean. These materials are also known to stand the test of time as they are both scratch and rust resistant. At the base of this portable electric stove are non-slip rubber feet. This, along with the quick and even heating feature, ensures your cooker is both reliable and safe to use. At number 3. OvenT Electric Stove Burner. Every cook needs his sustenance to be simply great. This portable infrared heater has 1000 W of power to cook a dinner in a matter of seconds. It has a crystal glass plate that is more effective than the induction cooker. You can change the power with the temperature control knob and have non-slip elastic feet to prevent any mess while cooking. The stove rushes to act and heats any utensil in a fraction of a second. The width of the heating plate is 7.09, and has an infrared heating system that makes it ideal for external use. The cover is protected to be used by pregnant women and youngsters. This is a super classy stove that can put jealously to his neighbor. At number 2. Elite Cuisine ESB300X Maxi-Matic Electric Stove Burner Hot Plate. With Elite Cuisine Maxi-Matic, you get a mobile temperature control system. The heating component can be raised effectively to make it easy to clean. It is filled with non-slip elastic legs to obtain a firm grip of the utensil. This is an electric stove ideal for cooking indoors and outdoors. It requires less space and it is useful to use it. The cold contact ensures that there is no misfortune, and with 750 W of power, cooking is done at a faster rate. This stove has a serpentine hot plate. Finally at number 1. Emusa Electric Stove Burner. This is another competent machine for the ideal vitality for your kitchen. It has 8 different temperature settings and power levels. The automatic clock system is accessible and requires good induction cookware. When you cook, simply select the automatic clock and you can continue with your different jobs. It has a square heating plate that is accommodative to travel and has less space. It is everything less difficult to use, it cooks faster and is solid. If you need a smart and up-to-date kitchen, at that point, the Avalon Bay Square induction plate is an absolute necessity to have an item. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.